Hello everyone, အားလုံးပဲမင်္ဂလာပါ This video is about using yin, do, and donga to convey when. In this video, we will talk about do. You can see how to use yin in the previous video. This particle do has many forms of usages, but I'm only going to talk about how to use it as when. Okay, let's get started. It can be used interchangeably with yin in many situations, but please note that it cannot be used with the meaning of if where yin can be. So I'll start with the example sentence that we used in the video for yin. Tu pian la yin nya sa sa me. Tu pian la yin, tu he or she pian la de comes back yin when he or she comes back. Tu pian la yin nya sa sa me. Me, the sentence ending for future tense. Nya sa sa me. Nya sa dinner. We will eat dinner. Tu pian la yin nya sa sa me. So in this case, we can change yin to do. And let's see how. Tu pian la do nya sa sa me. Tu pian la do nya sa sa me. It would mean the same. When he or she comes back, we will eat dinner. Here, I would like to mention a bit about pronunciation. Do is spelled as do, do, da, do. But when we speak it, it becomes do, do. So, tu pian la do nya sa sa me. Tu pian la do. It's not tu pian la do. We don't say that. Tu pian la do, tu pian la do. The sound is kind of between do and do. So, tu pian la do, tu pian la do. Okay, I would like to show you how to question with do. You can ask be do le for something happening in future. Be do le. For example, be do nya sa sa me le. When will we eat dinner? When are we going to have dinner? Be do nya sa sa me le. Tu pian la do nya sa sa me. When he or she comes back, we will eat dinner. Tu pian la do nya sa sa me. You can also answer tu pian la yin nya sa sa me. Tu pian la yin nya sa sa me. It would be the same. Let's see another example. This is the sentence that we used in the previous video for yin. Nui ya di yao yin jiang pai de. Nui ya di summer yao de to arrive. Nui ya di yao yin. When summer arrives, jiang pai de, jiang school pai de, close. So, nuya di yao yin jiang pai de, the schools close in summer. Let's replace yin with do. Nuya di yao do jiang pai de. Nuya di yao do jiang pai de. It means more or less the same, just with some subtle difference. It's a bit challenging to explain. I would say you can master these subtle differences best when you are fully immersed in the language speaking environment. In this context, we would most likely use do for mentioning the past. For example, you would like to tell a friend about your school days in the past, and you would say, oh, you know the schools closed in summer and what happened, blah blah blah. So it would be nui ya di yao do jiang pai de li, and then blah 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 blah, like that. Let's ask when the schools will close. Be do jiang pai me le. Be do jiang pai me le. When will schools close? Nui ya di yao do jiang pai me. Nui ya di yao do jiang pai me. The schools will close in summer. You can also use yin here. Nuya di yao yin jiang pai me. It would be the same. Please note that de jiang pai de becomes me jiang pai me for future. Let's see more examples. Jiang tua do lan ma ta nge jin ne tui de. Jiang tua do. Jiang tua de go to school. Jiang tua do when I go to school. Lam ma on the way. Lam means street or road, or here it means the way. Lam ma on the way. Ma is a particle that indicates the place. Lam ma ta nge jin ne. With ne means with. Ta nge jin means friend. Ta nge jin ne tui de. Tui de means meet. Lam ma ta nge jin ne tui de. I met my friend on the way. So jiang tua do lam ma ta nge jin ne tui de. I met my friend on the way to school. A low do a tui a chong ya de. A low do a tui chong ya de. A low de. A low means work or job. Low de means to do. so အလုပ်လုပ်တယ် do the work literally it means work so အလုပ်လုပ်တော့ when we work အလုပ်လုပ်တော့အတွေ့အကြုံ means experience အတွေ့အကြုံ experience အတွေ့အကြုံရတယ် means to get အတွေ့အကြုံရတယ် we get experience အလုပ်လုပ်တော့အတွေ့အကြုံရတယ် it means when we work we get experience သူမရှိတော့သူ့ကိုလွမ်းနေကြတယ်သူမရှိတော့သူ့ကိုလွမ်းနေကြတယ်သူမရှိသူ means he or she ရှိတယ် means to be present မရှိဘူး means they are not present they are not around သူမရှိတော့ when he is not around သူ့ကိုလွမ်းနေကြတယ်သူ့ကို go is an object particle so he is being missed လွမ်းနေ is to miss လွမ်းနေ so သူ့ကိုလွမ်းနေကြတယ် so they are missing them the people who miss them is plural so that's why there is ကြ here လွမ်းနေကြတယ် နေ is they are missing နေ means continuous action so they are missing them when he is not around သူမရှိတော့သူ့ကိုလွမ်းနေကြတယ်သူမရှိတော့ when he is not around မနက်ကသူလာတော့ငါမရှိဘူးမနက်ကသူလာတော့ငါမရှိဘူးမနက်က in the morning မနက် means morning က indicates time မနက်ကသူလာတော့သူ he or she လာတယ် means to come so တော့ here means when he came this morning ငါမရှိဘူး I was not around ငါမရှိဘူးရှိတယ် means to be present မရှိဘူး not to be present so ငါမရှိဘူးမနက်ကသူလာတော့ငါမရှိဘူး I was not around when he came this morning နင်ကငါပြောတော့နားမထောင်ဘူးသူပြောတော့နားထောင်တယ်နင်က you က is a subject particle here ငါပြောတော့ when I say ပြောတယ် means say ငါပြောတော့ when I say နားမထောင်ဘူးနားထောင်တယ်နား means ear နားထောင်တယ် means you listen နားမထောင်ဘူး don't listen နင်ကငါပြောတော့နားမထောင်ဘူး you don't listen to me when I say means you are not listening to someone who says something or you are not following their advice okay နင်ကငါပြောတော့နားမထောင်ဘူး you don't listen to me when I say or you don't follow my advice when I give you သူပြောတော့နားထောင်တယ် when he or she says you listen to them okay you listen to what she says သူပြောတော့နားထောင်တယ်ငါပြောတော့နားမထောင်ဘူးသူပြောတော့နားထောင်တယ် so far we have looked at the examples where တော့ is behind a verb like ပြန်လာတော့ come back ပြန်လာတယ်ပြန်လာတော့ so it's behind a verb ပြန်လာတော့ရောက်တော့ကြောင်းသွားတော့သွားတယ် to go ကြောင်းသွားတော့အလုပ်လုပ်တော့လုပ်တယ် to do အလုပ်လုပ်တော့သူမရှိတော့ရှိတယ် to be present မရှိတော့သူမရှိတော့သူလာတော့ပြောတော့ we can also use it with a time related noun for example တနေ့တော့အောင်မြင်မယ်တနေ့တော့တနေ့ means day တနေ့ one နေ့ means day one day တနေ့တော့အောင်မြင်မယ်အောင်မြင်တယ် means to be successful အောင်မြင်တယ် so တနေ့တော့အောင်မြင်မယ် I will be successful one day တနေ့တော့အောင်မြင်မယ် let's see this short dialogue ဂျပန်ကိုသွားမယ် I will go to Japan ဘယ်တော့သွားမလဲ when are you going နောက်နှစ် February ရောက်တော့သွားမယ်နောက်နှစ် next year နှစ် means year နောက်နှစ် February ရောက်တော့သွားမယ်I am going in February next year. Now near February out dot tuame. In addition to all those, I would also like to mention about this how to use bedo to convey the meaning of whenever. Bedo. Example, whenever I say. So say is pure. You have to repeat it twice. Pure. Bedo pure. Bedo pure. Whenever I say na ma taung bu, you don't listen. နားထောင်တယ် listen နားမထောင်ဘူး don't listen you don't listen ဘယ်တော့ပြောနားမထောင်ဘူး whenever I say you don't listen ဘယ်တော့သွားမတွေ့ဘူးသွားတယ် to go ဘယ်တော့သွား whenever I go မတွေ့ဘူး I don't see them I don't see him or her တွေ့တယ် means to see ဘယ်တော့သွားသွားမတွေ့ဘူး so whenever I go to their house you don't see them they are not at home then you can say ဘယ်တော့သွားသွားမတွေ့ဘူးဘယ်တော့ခေါ်ခေါ် call means to call call you repeat it twice ဘယ်တော့ခေါ်ခေါ်မအားဘူးအား means available မအားဘူး not available so here it's talking about a phone call so ဘယ်တော့ခေါ်ခေါ် whenever I make a phone call မအားဘူး the line is busy မအားဘူး not available whenever I call the line is busy ဘယ်တော့ခေါ်ခေါ်မအားဘူးဘယ်တော့မေမေမသိဘူးဘယ်တော့မေမေမသိဘူးမေးတယ် to ask မေးတယ်မေမေဘယ်တော့မေမေ whenever I ask မသိဘူး you don't know whenever I ask you don't know ဘယ်တော့မေမေမသိဘူး if you don't want to say the negative meaning we can change it to the positive meaning also ဘယ်တော့ပြောပြောနားထောင်တယ်ဘယ်တော့ပြောပြောနားထောင်တယ် whenever I say you listen ဘယ်တော့သွားသွားတွေ့တယ် whenever I go I can see them or I can see him ဘယ်တော့ခေါ်ခေါ်အားတယ် whenever I call the line is available ဘယ်တော့ခေါ်ခေါ်အားတယ်ဘယ်တော့မိမိသိတယ် whenever I ask you know ဘယ်တော့မိမိသိတယ် okay this is the end of the examples of using တော့ for when but let me end the video with this slide which shows how to use တော့ to convey about to so you can say သွားတော့မယ်သွားမယ် means you will go but when you are about to do something you are about to go then you can say သွားတော့မယ်စားတော့မယ် about to eat စားတော့မယ်ပြောတော့မယ်ပြောတော့မယ်ပြောမယ် means you will speak or you will tell ပြောတော့မယ် you are about to say you are about to speak or tell အိပ်တော့မယ် about to sleep အိပ်တော့မယ်ပြန်တော့မယ် about to go back ပြန်တယ် going back ပြန်တော့မယ် about to go back okay this is the end of the video about တော့ to convey when and thank you very much for making it till the end we will talk about how to use တုံးက in the next video နောက်မှတွေ့မယ်နော် see you bye